Hi. Welcome to Class 4. Capstone Project and Course Wrap-Up. The final class of this course brings everything together. You've learned the skills necessary to become a proficient content creator, writing, storytelling, engagement techniques, monetization strategies, and branding. Now, it's time to apply what you've learned in a real-world project that simulates professional content creation. This session will be hands-on and interactive, ensuring that you leave with a tangible portfolio piece and a roadmap for continued growth. Class Breakdown. 1. Final project, create a content campaign. 2. Presentation and peer review session. 3. Earning strategies recap, freelancing, digital products and services. 4. Issuance of certificates of completion. 5. Next steps, how to keep growing as a content creator. Final project, creating a content campaign. This capstone project is designed to test and showcase your content creation skills by developing a complete content campaign that integrates different types of content. What is a content campaign? A content campaign is a series of coordinated content pieces designed to achieve a specific goal, whether it's brand awareness, lead generation, or sales conversion. Your task is to create a mini content campaign that includes written content, a blog post, article, or social media post. Graphic content, a visual element, poster, infographic, carousel. Resume-based content, a professional bio, LinkedIn profile update, or case study. Example campaign themes. Personal brand growth, how I built my LinkedIn following in 30 days. Freelance services, 5 ways I help businesses boost their online presence. Product promotion, the ultimate beginner's guide to SEO writing. B. How to structure your content campaign. Your content should follow a logical structure. Hook. Capture attention with an engaging headline or question. Value proposition, explain why your content matters to your audience. Call to action, CTA, encourage engagement or conversion, e.g., sign up, share, comment. Pro tip, your campaign should feel like a cohesive message rather than scattered individual posts. Presentation and peer review session. Once your content campaign is completed, you will present it to your peers. This session will allow you to get feedback on your writing, visuals, and messaging. Learn from others' creative approaches. Improve your ability to critique and refine content. What to focus on during peer review. Clarity, is the message clear and easy to understand? Engagement, does the content keep the audience interested? Design and formatting, are the visuals appealing and professional? Effectiveness, does the campaign achieve its goal? Pro tip, constructive feedback is key. Be open to suggestions and use them to enhance your content. Earning strategies recap, freelancing, digital products and services. At this point, you have learned multiple ways to monetize your skills. This session will summarize the best income-generating strategies for content creators. Freelancing. Platforms, Upwork, Fiverr, LinkedIn, ProBlogger. Best for writers, social media managers, and copywriters. How to succeed, build a strong portfolio and network consistently. B. Digital products. Types, ebooks, online courses, templates. Best for educators, business professionals, industry experts. How to succeed, create high-quality, valuable content that solves a problem. C. Content-based services. Types, content strategy, ghostwriting, coaching. Best for advanced content creators with specialized expertise. How to succeed, position yourself as an authority in your niche. Pro tip, you can combine multiple income streams for greater financial stability. Issuance of certificates of completion. Participants who complete the course and submit their capstone project will receive a certificate of completion. This certificate serves as proof of skill development, useful for job applications and freelance portfolios. A credibility booster, shows commitment to learning and professional growth. A motivator recognition for the effort and dedication you put into the course. Pro tip: add your certificate to your LinkedIn profile and resume to showcase your new skills. Next steps: how to keep growing as a content creator. Learning doesn't stop after this course. The best content creators continuously refine their craft and adapt to industry changes. Join content creator communities. LinkedIn groups, connect with fellow writers and marketers. Facebook groups, engage in discussions and job postings. Slack and Discord communities, stay updated with trends and opportunities. B. Keep practicing and publishing. Start a personal blog or Medium page. Create content on LinkedIn, Twitter, or Instagram. Experiment with different formats: blogs, videos, infographics. C. Invest in further learning. Take advanced courses on SEO writing, content strategy, and branding. Follow industry leaders and engage with their content. Stay updated on trending topics in content marketing. Pro tip: the best way to grow is through consistent action. Keep creating, keep improving, and keep networking. 1. Your capstone project is a demonstration of your skills. Make it impactful. 2. Feedback from peers is a powerful tool for growth. 3. There are multiple ways to make money from content creation. Choose wisely. 4. Your certificate is an asset. Use it to enhance your credibility. 5. The journey doesn't end here. Keep learning and growing as a content creator. With the right mindset, dedication, and consistency, you can turn content creation into a thriving career. Congratulations on completing this course.